Alright, what's up YouTube? So, finally getting back into the shed. Man, does it feel good. So, today's project is just going to be a bit of a quick video on doing some work to my crazy spinning bookcase thingy that's going to be storage. And so, it's going to be part of the Spring Shop Storage hashtag from the Woodfather. And so, yeah, that was set by him, and this is going to be my entry, and I hope you have some fun, and let's get into it. But I got to empty it out first, and there's a lot, so it's going to be fun. Get out of my hand. Get out of my hand. What? Alright, all done. I think it turned out pretty cool, pretty basic, pretty functional, but it'll work. And that's the main thing. I only ended up doing 8 because that's all the plexiglass, acrylic-y, clear stuff that I had, and plywood that I had. So I'm just going to roll with that, and eventually I might put something else down below, not really sure, but for now 8's all I need, and they hold enough that it can basically hold everything I need. I can pull each one out, have a look, plonk it on the workbench if I want, or work table, and then put it back when I'm done. I think it'll be really good. So this is also going to be part of the Spring Shop Storage hashtaggy thingy. Hashtag will be down below if you want to go check out the playlist of everybody else's entries. That'd be really sick. And check out the Woodfather. And yeah, so if you want to check out any of my other videos, there'll be a link up here if you want to check out, and like and subscribe. That'd be cool. And Instagram too. Peace.